Are you still just watching movies, or are you ready to live them? What if your favorite music could effortlessly fill every corner of your home, not just one room? Today, we're diving deep into the Denon AVR-X2800H, a 7.2-channel stereo receiver that isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete revolution for your home entertainment. First off, let's talk about the absolute core of a truly cinematic experience: audio and video quality. The AVR-X2800H is not just geared for 8K, it embraces it. With 8K per 60 Hz pass-through, your visuals will be smoother, sharper, and more vibrant than ever, ready for the next generation of TVs and content. But it's the audio that truly transforms. Imagine sound that doesn't just come from speakers, but moves around you, above you, immersing you completely. That's the power of Dolby Surround and DTS Neural X upmixing, creating breathtaking 3D audio that pulls you right into the heart of the action. Plus, with full support for HDR10+, HLG, Dolby Vision, and Dynamic HDR, every scene bursts with incredible detail and contrast. This isn't just about watching a movie, it's about being transported. But what if you dream of a full, room-filling soundscape but don't want the hassle of installing height speakers? Denon has you covered, and this is where the AVR-X2800H truly shines. With Dolby Height Virtualization and DTS Virtual X, this receiver intelligently creates the sensation of overhead sound, even in traditional 7.1, 5.1, or even 2.1 setups. It's pure acoustic magic, giving you that expansive, three-dimensional audio experience without any extra hardware. And for those who do want the ultimate setup, it fully supports 7.2 or 5.2.2 configurations with Dolby Atmos and DTS X, delivering sound so precise, you'll swear you can pinpoint every whisper and explosion above and around you. Are you ready for sound that truly envelopes you? Beyond the stunning visuals and immersive sound, the Denon AVR-X2800H liberates your music. This isn't just a home theater hub, it's a wireless audio powerhouse. With built-in HEOS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, your entire music library and streaming services like Pandora and Spotify are at your fingertips. Imagine creating a seamless multi-room surround sound system, where your favorite playlist follows you from the living room to the kitchen, all controlled effortlessly from your phone. It's about enjoying hi-fi audio anywhere in your home, with absolute freedom and convenience. Plus, with 8 HDMI ports, including 3 8K inputs, a phono input for your turntable, and dual subwoofer outputs, you'll have all the connectivity you need for every piece of your entertainment arsenal, now and in the future. The Denon AVR-X2800H isn't just a receiver. It's the central nervous system of your ultimate home entertainment experience. It's about more than just specs. It's about the feeling you get when you're truly immersed, when your music comes alive, and when your home theater transforms into something extraordinary. This is your invitation to elevate every moment, ready to transform your living space into an audiovisual masterpiece. Find the link to the Denon AVR-X2800H in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more expert tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest.